everyone to Casa Bonita. I want to get your opinion and be honest and, just don't be mean, just be honest. This is my patio that I've redone like 50,000 million times. um, I was at an estate sale today and I found these real pretty chairs here. These two yellow ones. For some reason, I don't know what it is, but the color yellow just, I don't know, it's just calling me. It's talking to me. I think the yellow looks really pretty. So what do you suggest? I mean, you see how I don't have the carpet here because I'm trying to make like two different places in one. So I have this here that I just got, and I got that carpet, and it's unfortunately it's not big enough. But do you think I should put a carpet here, or what do you think I should put here? And do you think I should paint these yellow again, or should I paint them a different color? And what color should I paint the little table here too? Uh, just let me know. This is my first time here on YouTube. I don't do really good videos because I'm not too advanced on how to do videos. So I'm just asking for you to give me some time and bear with me as I learn as I go along how to make videos on YouTube. I really like these chairs. I got them at an estate sale. I think they were really pretty. But this is my patio here, and here in Houston, and we just did this yesterday. Don't look at my driveway. We need to redo our driveway, and we're going to be doing that pretty soon. But we added these pavers here yesterday. This was cement. It was really ugly and falling apart. But we added these pavers here yesterday, and I think they look really nice. And that bench used to be right there. So I moved it over here. And I think it looks really nice. I don't know, you tell me. It's been raining, so I took the cushion away from there, but let me give you a bird's eye view. This is the front entrance of my house. And you can see the inside of my house right there. I got a glass door. I just barely got that last week. And that really looks really nice. Well, actually, I've never even seen the way it looks like that with the lights on. It looks really pretty. Well, to me it does. So what do you suggest? Let me know about this. You can't really see it, but it's kind of like a gray color with speckles on it. You can barely see the speckles, what's left of it. But what do you suggest if I should paint it and what color? And here is the cushion that goes right here on this bench. And I got these flowers here. So let me give you a bird's eye view here. So you can see. And you can give me a better, what do you suggest that I should do? And if I should paint it or if I should add a carpet or what should I do? So, hey, I appreciate it. Thank you for looking at my channel. Please subscribe. I am new here. I am trying to create more content and I'm trying to find more subscribers. And here is my camera's not very, maybe I need to get closer. Here's my side patio. This is on the west side. I like sitting down here, especially when the sun is coming down because it looks really pretty. So let me know what you think, please. And I just wanted to let you know too. I wanted to add this disclosure here that no part of any of my videos are to be disseminated onto somebody else's video without written authorization from me. Um, I am the owner of Casa Bonita. So having said that, thank you, and I hope that you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos as I'm trying to learn as I go.